This is the story of every Indian who comes along to show where we belong.
Hey, just Nimrod, look at these handicrafts. They are too pretty and amazing. And I always wonder how these craftsmen make them from one generation to another.
Yes, they are so mesmerizing and charming. Can't we buy all of these?
Hey, buddy, what's up? When are you planning to come to India?
Not this time. I'm all set for Europe this summer.
Hi, Bihan. Why? It's such a lovely country. And we are in Delhi heart, enjoying the glimpses of authentic India. It's just awesome.
Hey, let us show you trailer.
India's cultural landscape is as diverse as its geography, with over 1.4 billion people belonging to various linguistic, religious and ethnic backgrounds.
India's Vedas, a wellspring of India's culture, music and dance, art and archaeology, yoga, medicine and mathematics. This is India, the land of timeless culture.
Spirituality and religious beliefs drives the life of every Indian.
From the beaches of Goa to the forts of Rajasthan, from the divinity of the Golden Temple to the magnificent Himalayas, each place has a story that's as enriching as any European tale.
How can you forget Dadi's recipe? Where else can you find the flavors of authentic Mughlai, biryani, dosas or pani puri? Each state you visit offers a whole new menu to explore.
And speaking of vibrant festivals, each one of them has its own history to tell that keeps the legends alive for ages. Be it the harvest festivals or religious, each one has its own flavor. Despite diverse religious beliefs, Indians come together to celebrate festivals with joy, emphasizing unity amidst diversity.
वासुदेव कुटुंबकम और अतिथि देवो भव हमारी संस्कृति और सभ्यता के सूत्रधार हैं। What do our thought leaders say?
How have Indian traditions and cultures evolved or changed over time?
भारत हर अंकों का निर्माता है, भारत गणित का निर्माता है, भारत विज्ञान का निर्माता है और भारत संस्कृति के हर पहलू का निर्माता है। आपको याद होगा जब विवेकानंद गए थे जब धर्म संसद में, तब वहाँ के लोगों को विवेकानंद और भारतीय संस्कृति ने ही प्रभावित किया। यानी हर चीज़ का जनक भारत। इंडियन कल्चर, जैसा कि हमारे ऋषि मुनि कहते हैं, जैसा कि हमारे वर्तमान प्रधानमंत्री कहते हैं, वसुधैव कुटुंबकम। हमारे वेदों में कहा गया है सबका कल्याण हो, सभी जीवों का कल्याण हो। इससे बड़ा कल्चर या संस्कृति है।
From the vibrant dances of Punjab to the serene rituals of Kerala, each region of India contributes its own flavor to the cultural mosaic of the nation.
Wow! I just can't wait to come to incredible India.
वो कहते हैं ना, जहाँ कोस कोस पर बदले पानी, वहाँ चार कोस पर बदले वाणी।
भारत की संस्कृति एक विविधताओं का मेल, जहाँ ऊंचे पहाड़ से नदियों का खेल। भारतीय संस्कृति का ये सुंदर प्रदर्शन विश्व को दिखाता